family video because Karishma is a bhabi, and emotions are all about family, your own people, and he's like a brother. So I think the teamwork really matters a lot. Kumar Paji, who's written the lyrics, has done a fabulous job. विछोड़ा बहुत ही एक अलग word है. तो करते करते बन गया. You can't really plan these things, but yeah, like you said, if your emotions are honest, you want to create a great melody, great team, and great vocals by Shivani and great expressions by our actors. So this is what it is, a combination basically.
तो शिवानी एक दिन आके बोल रही थी कि मेरा दिल टूट गया है. मैं क्यों टूट गया मुझे वो नहीं बता सकती, पर दिल बहुत टूटा हुआ है तो कोई वैसा गाना बना दो जिसमें दिल टूटा रहे. So that's why we made this song.
And then suddenly her husband came, Rajiv Rhoda. He says, "अरे नहीं, मेरी इसमें कोई गलती नहीं है." I would prove it by producing the video. So Rajiv Rhoda produced the video along with us. So I think, yeah, applause to the entire team.
With such a light, atmosphere, all friends and family, and when we see the song, it has so much of intensity and so much of uniqueness. Shivani, visualize something like this, that the song would be like a typical heartbreak, and of course it touches the heart because Karishma has actually done a fab job, and it's a very, very unique concept also. Shivani, please tell us.
It's really something which I will say that it's a revisitation to my vocals that was extracted beautifully by Meet Brothers. Manmeet and Harmeet both said, "यार इस बार you have to sound different." I think मैंने 5-6 बारी dub किया होगा गाना, and I think after the 6th dub we all said, "Yeah, Eureka moment ये है." So if you notice that the voice is very differently sung. I have sung it with a different register. हमारे body में बहुत सारे वो होते हैं ना, chest voice, head voice. तो ये पता नहीं ये it's a mixed voice which has come out in a very Sufi sort of a way. That's what Manmeet said. Shivani, you have to sound very Sufi in this. And जब तक he and Harmeet were not satisfied, we did go ahead कि हाँ, this is the final dub. So it has been a nice, lovely journey. We've had a great time. I really have to thank my husband Rajiv because he's the one who actually, sat down with Manmeet and Harmeet initially to get the song going, get the audio going. Then he sat on the video, and then of course, Meet Brothers की जो team है ना, it's fantastic. They looked into each and every intricate detail. So I have just sung the song honestly with my heart and soul. But बाकी जो भी shaping up हुई है, it's them, their team, Karishma, Akshay, Rajiv, everyone. I think they've really made it like a feature film. I really have to say this. The way the video.
We have to name our teams, Sangeeta and Asutosh, who's really done a good job in putting this up. And like we said, this is a family project, so even our PR Parol is also very.
You're also our family.
Our MD Music, our music label, everything is in-house.
Absolutely.
Karishma, questions to you. This actually looks like a mini film, and we want to know what's happening in the part 2. But we see so much of emotion. The concept is so beautiful. How easy, or difficult, or challenging it was when you were performing, especially Karishma, you looked wonderful.
Thank you so much. So as far as the part 2 is concerned, हमको रांझा नया लाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि वो तो मर गया.
दिखाया नहीं.
हाँ. See, anything is possible on Indian television. Yes. So yes, now that he's given me hope, I think we can look forward to a part 2. So Shivani, please get to work. It was a beautiful experience. My involvement in the video was a very last minute thing. I think these guys were all set to shoot the song, and पता नहीं कहाँ किसी के सपने में आ गई तो किसी के ध्यान में आ गया. इनके सपने में, शिवानी के सपने में आ गया that Karishma is in the video, and next thing is I am in the video. ऐसे और सपने देखा करो.
Really, it is so spooky, it is so crazy. But actually, I dreamt that
Mike.
It is really, I don't know क्या बोलते हैं इसको, but I had a dream that Karishma is shooting and she is in our video, and next day Manmeet का phone आया. You know what? I'm thinking of Karishma for this video. I said, my God, this is called telepathy. So we don't need to communicate, we can communicate telepathically. Law of attraction, seriously. Because I love her looks and her performance. And for a long time, I've been a huge fan of hers. I always, tell her she looks like Penelope Cruz. And she really looks like she is a supermodel. So I'm so delighted that she's a part of the video. Thank you, Karishma. So much for your kind words. So then when we started the video, I get very serious about my work and I'm kind of a little finicky. The team can vouch for it. They really must have had a tough time with me, but then I believe everything requires perfection. So apart from just acting in the video, I just asked Manmeet, do you give me the permission to get a little deeper and look into who's the guy? What exactly is happening? So yes, I think that entire 1 month was a phenomenal experience for me because I was not just an actor. I was just watching everything happen in front of me. In fact, Manmeet and I had a little tiff also because I was like, right now she just mentioned that in the आवाज़ थोड़ी अलग सी कराई गई है, and I was like, मैंने तो वो वाली शिवानी सोच के मैंने गाने के लिए हाँ बोला था, but इसमें she's not sounding Shivani.
Yeah.
And he's like, no, but that's the thing. We all have to evolve. And Shivani is absolutely right. I went to the studio. I heard the song. You weren't there. I heard the song. Shivani was there. And Shivani, this is not you. She said, but I'm loving it. I said, okay. But eventually, yes, I absolutely agree that we all have to try different things, and she sounded very different. I love this new Shivani also, so I'm very happy. Akshay?
It's a dream team. Of course, how's your experience been?
I mean,
Before you start, I'll tell you that अक्षय का जो शो था टेम्पटेशन आइलैंड, उसका करिश्मा और मैंने सारे एपिसोड्स देखे थे, एंड हमको लगता था कि सबसे क्यूट और रियल जो बंदा हमको लगता था, हम दोनों का फेवरेट था, तो और हम कभी जानते नहीं थे अक्षय को। और फिर जब राजीव ने बोला कि यू नो दैट he showed me a picture and he said, what do you think of this boy? And I saw him like, are you kidding me? Right away, I love this boy. And also, उसने video दिखाया, he was dancing very well. So when Akshay said yes, we both were very happy because we really loved him much before we met him. I don't think he knows that.
No, I don't know that. I'm like overwhelmed right now. But मेरा experience बहुत अच्छा रहा. It was a beautiful experience. राजीव को भी कि गाना है and करेगा. तो मैंने बिना सोचे समझे बोल दिया, हाँ आपका है तो मैं कर दूँ because मैं उनको पहले से जानता हूँ. And then they said कि इस बार meet करते मैंने कहा wow, you know they're really big in what they do and the singer is Shivani. So I was like definitely. And shoot पे भी मतलब ऐसा नहीं फील हुआ कि एक एक्टर आया है. एक्चुअली में फैमिली फील हुआ फ्रॉम राजीव टू द डायरेक्टर टू करिश्मा being such a supportive actor, co-actor, and it was a beautiful experience overall, and I really enjoyed it.
Shivani, जैसे आपने कहा कि this was a new experiment that you did, and we just heard that Karishma was happy eventually now when she saw it on the screen that you know आप खुद कितने nervous थे that that's going to be new to you and you know you had friends working with you. कितना you know were you like worried that I'm going to be will I you know this new sound would be accepted, not accepted, or criticism? You know, although you're sounding beautiful, but still कोई रहता है when you change your zone, you know.
Thank you so much for the compliment. No, I was not worried. You know, I have complete belief in Manmeet and Harmeet. Musically, complete belief in them. So, you know, we go back a long way. It's not just music. We've been friends for a long time. And they've always appreciated the work that I've done. And I love the work that they have been doing. I mean, some of their songs, which are not the party numbers, are beautiful. I mean, they have this kind of a wide spectrum of music that they do. So when they extracted this new voice out of me, I was super confident. And when I heard it, you know, I found it very refreshing because you can't keep sounding the same all the time. People say, yaar, ye to wohi hai. It's like that. So I was very confident, very excited. And this whole journey has been amazing. The way they both have been practicing. इतना practice किया choreography. इनकी dance practice बड़ी होती थी. Really. इतनी मेहनत हुई है. It's not just, I'm telling you, the whole team has worked hard for this project and that's what I'm super proud of.
आप दोनों से सवाल है. शिवानी क्या जैसे अभी we just saw the whole experience, you know, it was a new sound and a new. So आपको लग रहा था कि कहीं you know this should not be in a original tone or you know what is that one thought which made you decide which has to go with it?
Check. We've seen Shivani performing since decades. Sorry, 2-3 years. And her versatility, like she was telling about us, is so wide that we know that she can crack anything. So all we had to do was slow down the tempo, take the scale a little low, and voice texture tone तो अच्छा है ही. तो the magic happened on its own. And अंदर इसके दर्द तो छुपा ही हुआ है. कहाँ से आ रहा है मुझे still a mystery. But the way she sings it, obviously she's going to sing it for you. But it can make you cry if you're going through a bad patch in life. I hope nobody is.
Oh, yes.
I hope nobody goes through a bad patch. But life is up and down. We all know it कि कुछ उसको कोई रोक नहीं सकता है. समुद्र की लहरों की तरह. तो जब होगा तो ये रांझे दा बिछोड़ा जरूर प्ले करना आप लोग भाई लोग. It will bring you back and connect. That ये तुम अकेले नहीं हो इस मझधार में. और भी बहुत लोग बह रहे हैं. So that's what it is. So she justified the whole melody, lyrics, the production of the song and the video also. All rounder, ये बिल्कुल हमारी विराट कोहली.
So जब वीडियो बन रहा था तो आपका इनपुट रहा उसमें that I mean this is as of course the song is so heart wrenching. Did you have your input as being processed?
So I think big credit goes to the director Ganesh. I think he's a very involved director and बहुत passionate है, over passionate actually. वो पूरा सादा ही he gets into it, which is great. I think when उनके साथ हमने अभी एक series बनाई है 10 episodes की 10 गानों की, which will be releasing soon. It's called White Shoe. So we realized कि उसका एक vision है और वो उसको execute करता है. So it was amazing working with Ganesh. I'm sure Karishma can elaborate.
Well, yes, I absolutely second what Mandeep said. Ganesh ji has, I've worked with so many directors, all of them have their strengths, and it has been an amazing experience, and I've learned so much from everyone. But Ganesh ji ke saath, he is overcommitted, overcommitted might be the wrong word, what did you just mention? Involved, passionate. Every time he would be there for the rehearsals, उनको कुछ दिखता था. Even if Akshay and I were normally talking or laughing, he would just see something and ऐसा हो जाता था. I'm going to use this, I'm going to use this. So ऐसा समझ नहीं आता था कि वो हमको मतलब stalk कर रहे हैं literally. So he gets too involved and which is a wonderful thing. और वो हमको जब सुना रहे थे ना तो हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि what exactly is he trying to say. But now that I've seen the video, I exactly understand. He had a vision and he's gone exactly according to his vision. So मतलब when we are rehearsing, a director actually doesn't need to be there. He would be talking to the choreographer, he would be talking to us about our comfort level. What is it? Is there something that we don't want to do? And being there in every moment, I think hats off to him. And ये जो हमारा गाना है actually मुझे नहीं लगता ये एक दिन में शूट होने वाला कंटेंट है, but उन्होंने फिर भी कर दिखाया. So much of work pressure, but still he was at it, and we can see the output. It's wonderful. It's been a great experience working with Ganesh, honestly.
So anything interesting that you can think of while shoot happened?
Oh yes, so many interesting things. रिहर्सल्स में भी इंटरेस्टिंग मतलब हमारा तो ये पूरी जर्नी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग एंड मज़ेदार रही है. शूट के वक्त मेरा जो पर्सनल मैं बताऊंगी, सो इसमें मैंने सिगरेट पी है. आई एक्चुअली डोंट स्मोक. और उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि आप मेरी कबीर सिंह हैं. मैंने कहा मतलब कि तो उसने 2 सिगरेट एक साथ पी थी. ऐसे मैं एक भी नहीं पीती. ये सब नहीं, आपको 2 पीनी है. वो इतना रजिस्टर नहीं हुआ है. एक्चुअली मैंने हाथ में 2 सिगरेट पकड़ी हैं. वो उनको लेडी कबीर सिंह चाहिए थी. वो pathos and the aggression and the wrath of the loss he wanted. So he said कि बस हमें दिखाना है that So मुझे नहीं पता था नॉर्मल सिगरेट्स इतनी पोटेंट होती हैं. एंड हर टेक के पहले जब मैं वो अपने अंदर धुआं भरती थी तो जैसे ही एक्शन होता था मेरा पहला स्टेप ऐसे जाता था. तो इतनी अच्छा लग रहा है. एंड ही हैज यूज्ड सो मेनी सच शॉट्स जो एक्चुअली एक्शन वाले नहीं थे, जो रोलिंग के टाइम के थे. तो कभी मैं यहाँ जा रही हूँ, कभी मैं वहाँ जा रही हूँ. और हमारा एक डांस सीक्वेंस भी है जहाँ पे हम मस्ती कर रहे थे और वो उन्होंने वीडियो में यूज़ कर लिया है. सो लाइक आई सेड वो हमको पूरा टाइम स्टॉक कर रहे थे.
Shivani, आपका experience while shooting the song and
So firstly, he's created a very different look. If you see my look, my hair is all gelled back and very stark kind of a look. Very मतलब ऐसा look मैंने बहुत दिनों से मैंने किया ही नहीं है. It's for the very first time actually. And very, I would say, एक surrealistic जो feeling थी, the lighting, it was raining throughout. So from the vanity van till the set, we had to really, encounter that rain with all our umbrellas and in all our finery, go there. So the rain actually added a lot of, I would say, mood. It added a mood to the song because the song is in a very rainy mood. आपने देखा होगा कि song is set like that. So yeah, I loved it. It was great energy, and I loved to see them perform. The way they were dancing, मेरे को उससे बहुत अच्छी energy मिल रही थी. I said, my gosh, they're really putting in their best in the song. में जान आ रही है. It's like that. Yeah, I enjoyed my. मेरे को तो simple lip sync और गाना था बस as a singer. So I enjoyed doing that also.
No, but I must say one thing that even though when she was not required on the set, she was. जब वो एक बार तैयार हो गई ना, वो आगे सेट पे ही बैठी थी. मतलब usually people don't do that. आप अपना करते हो और फिर चले जाते हो. And trust me, वो सेट पे धुआं से लेके अंधेरा हो गया था. Like she mentioned, इतनी बारिश हो रही थी. It was not a very comfortable place to sit, but she was constantly sitting near the monitor, watching what's happening. She didn't really need to do that, but I love your passion and I've always been a fan of you and your hard work.
Thank you so much.
Also, we would like Rajiv Rhoda to come here and say a few words if he's around. Where is he? Rajiv Rhoda. Yeah, please come.
Till he comes, I have to say this, that I finished my shoot, I went back home. Manmeet, आपका गाना बैठा हुआ है, but I would want you to tell them what I told you about Rajiv, about how he was. ऐसा करेगा, पहला बहुत ही बैठा हो. वो कहते हैं माइक मेरे हाथ में बहुत ज़्यादा दिख रहा है, इसलिए थोड़ा बैलेंस हो जाएगा. So this man is not just the guy who funded the video, but he was constantly रेकी से लेके कोरियोग्राफी, रिहर्सल्स, हमसे पर्सनली बात करना और सेट के दिन, ट्रस्ट मी, लाइक आई सेड कि बहुत कुछ शूट करना था. वो एक दिन में कैसे हुआ है, एक है गणेश जी और दूसरे हैं ये मतलब लिटरली एक्टर्स के पास ये तो तैयार हो जाता था टाइम पे, मेरे पास आके चलो चलो चलो. आई मीन ही डिडंट नीड टू डू दैट, देयर वर अदर पीपल असाइन्ड फॉर द जॉब. हाँ, एंड ही वाज एट इट. वो अपना झोला लटका के लाइक टिपिकल प्रोड्यूसर लुक में, बट वो ही वाज एवरीथिंग बट अ प्रोड्यूसर ऑन द सेट. He was doing all odd jobs. He was doing everything. He made sure the shoot happens smoothly and on time and finishes on time. Trust me, matlab Rajiv, I've known you for not too many decades, just few. But this side of him, अच्छा इनकी एक्टिंग की जो कीड़े हैं जो हमारे साथ निकलते थे उसके बारे में कुछ बताओ ना, कैसे मान पूरे कर रहे थे हमारे साथ.
हाँ, इनकी एक्टिंग के कीड़े एक्चुअली हम सीन वर्क करते तो हम एक दूसरे के कीड़े निकाल लेते हैं. सो वी डू सीन वर्क्स टुगेदर. ही इज आल्सो ब्रिलियंट एक्टर एंड हाँ, इनके बगैर ही मेड इट वेरी स्मूथ. गणेश जी एंड राजीव वाज इन्वॉल्वड इन एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम कॉस्ट्यूम टू द डांस रिहर्सल्स लाइक शी सेड एंड इंट्रिकेट डिटेल्स. उसकी वजह से ये लिखा प्रोडक्ट एंड ही इज लाइक माय ब्रदर एंड इनकी वजह से मैं आया हूँ. Thank you.
I would like to tell media that soon he will be launched in a movie as an actor. तो अभी इनसे 2-3 questions इनसे भी पूछ लो, बाद में मिलेंगे नहीं इतनी आराम से. मैं भी नहीं मिलूँगा.
Experience, producer.
So it was a brilliant experience doing this video because the day we sat down first day with Kumar Baji to do the lyrics. So Shivani had done Mukhda of the song, which, what was that? So, हाँ, तो वो एक गाने का अलग फील था और with that feel we